Hello everyone, Sriram here from Sri Learning. We are talking success story of project management professional certification. If some of you don't know what it is and you're watching this video for first time, I'm sure you are to take this journey. PMP is a beautiful journey. Something that, man, why the certificate, man? Without certificate also I can get promotion. Yeah, of course you can. But there is something called sense of satisfaction that we can hear now from Vishal after he completed how he felt. So first thing, we'll give congratulations to Vishal for this wonderful achievement. Congratulations, Vishal, for this great job.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Actually, if I wouldn't have found you, I mean, Sri Learning, then this journey would have been very tough for me.
Maybe you would have found another institute.
No. Already before doing R&D, I went through Simply Learn.
Okay.
Just did R&D. Then
Okay.
I met them, but I didn't find that kind of satisfaction. In the month of March 2020, I met you in offline mode.
Okay.
Not through online. It was offline mode, and it was a free coaching, like you posted through LinkedIn itself.
Oh.
So I just contacted you, then you guided me, like you can speak to Rahul, then he will guide you through where's the venue and you can come and join us. So I came there, I just attended your session over there. So then I felt it like, okay, this is the institute what I was looking for actually.
You got a flavor. You got a flavor. Okay, this taste look good. But again, you said each institute has each flavor. We don't generally compare or compete because each one has its own flavor. But usually it's our what is it? That comfort. If you connect with something, works good. Yeah, this goes well, right? Like going to a grocery store. Sometimes we like the grocery store. You know why? We keep going there, right? So something like that. So what I do is first I'll bring your certificate and posters. Of course, I have to show something. Okay, here it goes. Vishal, is it you, Vishal?
Yes, sir.
Okay, a good boy in the picture here. Okay, then let's go to the certificate. Here it goes. So senior planning engineer at Build a Home. So Build a Home is your stuff. And the certificate is here on July 9th. He achieved it. People may not know how hard he worked. Okay, I'm with him for a while. At least I know how hard he worked. Really, is it very hard for you, Vishal, or easy work for you? What is your thought?
It's actually very hard, sir. It's not easy.
You know, you have a habit of posting every other day some progress of yours. You keep telling, I completed this chapter, this is a score, this chapter, this is a score, right? You don't feel, oh, man, am I doing too much? I had to go slow. Or you felt like that, or you felt this is needed for PMP?
Actually, I attended your session in the month of January, the first batch of 2021.
Okay.
Then due to some family functions, I couldn't do, I couldn't get that consistency, what we say that. So then afterwards, I started in the mid-March, again started studying, but it didn't happen. I studied only, I started with PMBOK, but PMBOK killed me nearly. I was not moving forward only, not so fast, nothing. I was stuck in one chapter itself. So I asked for suggestions, which book to follow, where to go, like that. I was totally confused and I lost nearly 1.5 months in that. So when I was not able to study or not able to give much time, at that time, actually, my brother said, if it is not happening by you, then you please leave that part and try to focus on your job. Then it was like a tight slap on my face. So
then you took a
challenge.
Then you took a challenge. I will make it happen.
Yes, okay. I just wanted to, whatever the challenges are, I'll have to accept and I'll have to move on. The result, I didn't care about that. So I just moved on. Then from April month, I started increasing my pace. First, I used to get up around morning around 6 o'clock. Then I made a habit of 5:30, then 5, then it came to 4:30. Then I started from 4 a.m. to morning 8:30 last.
Wow, 4 a.m.
So
man. In
yeah.
family though, no one asked you, man, what's happening? Why you got for 4:30? No
No,
one questioned.
actually, my mom and dad were not in India. They went to USA to visit my sister's sister. So they
Family
went to
there.
meet her. Yeah.
Okay. So that's a good
So at that,
opportunity for you.
actually, I was missing them a lot, but we have to sacrifice for if you want to achieve something.
I understand. I understand. Good. Good. Super. So
So
give a little background about your corporate. What is your job nature? What do you do?
I actually come from a construction background, and it's totally
Mm,
predictive in nature.
mm, mm.
So
I'm
uh,
going to ask the next question. I'll come there. Before that, you go ahead and talk about you.
so I have nearly 6 years of experience,
Mm,
and into project management, I have only somewhere around 3.5 to 4 years,
mm,
4 years of experience.
mm. Okay.
So like I'm the only planning engineer in my company right now where I'm working,
Oh,
and there is no other project management consultant or a project management cell or no PMO, nothing.
okay. Okay. Got it. So
So
how is PMP looked in your industry, construction? Do they respect it? Do they see a value for it?
sir, actually there's a lot of value. Like I think in my previous organization, not the current one, the previous one, where I was there at that time in the month of March, where I came to your attending one of the session. Before that, 1 week back itself, one of my project manager, he's not a certified project manager, but he suggested me, you are so young and you have a lot of time. Why can't you go for this PMP? Actually, my plan was to go for PMI SP, schedule performer. I was looking for that opportunity. Then my manager said, no, you should do it PMP because it has got a lot of value and credibility. So you
Good.
learn more in a project.
Good. I think we have
So
to
I
give
thought,
appreciation for such kind of leaders, right? Who encourage
yeah.
their employees to read something, learn something. That's quite good.
So because of him,
Okay.
I took seriously, like I started in the month of September 2020 itself.
Uh-huh.
I
Okay.
enrolled She Learning. Then due to I like somehow I met with quarantine thing, COVID. Because of
Yeah.
that, I couldn't move on. Then later in the December month, I could attend only Prepcast only one mock, which I
Okay.
scored only 51%. Still, even I remember that. So that was a low score for me.
Mm.
Then after that, I took a challenge as a we will move on for the next
Mm.
format.
But
Then
next format is a challenge, right? It's about
that
agile.
was totally different.
Okay. Okay. I think you're in your industry, you'll be the guy in your group of company. You may be the person who knows both predictive and adaptive now.
Yes, sir.
You
I feel proud of myself because I'm the only person in my organization who has achieved this PMP certificate.
Oh man. So super hike is waiting for you, a bulk.
I know. I have showed some of them don't know about it, but whoever knows about it, I just showed my certificate to them. They were like shocked.
Wow.
Wow, you earned it.
Wow. Wow factor, right? Wow.
Yes.
That's good actually. Okay. Now you become an inspiration in your corporate. Nice to know that. So tell me about your preparation model, in the sense of how do you read and what book you preferred. Talk something about it, because you are from predictive nature of project construction. There'll be a lot of
Yes,
people
sir.
watching this video from like you. All right. So let's get some idea for them.
Actually, starting in the April month, in the March month, actually last 2 weeks. At that time, I started with PMBOK, but PMBOK it's a very dry book. Everyone say it's true. You can't take so easily. Like you will never understand what is going on in that. Then after so many discussions with many aspirants, I met one person from our institute, Sri Learning Institute. His name is Mainak Mukherjee, and other aspirant who is passed, actually she has cleared, and her name is Soumya Narayan. You might be knowing her.
Yep.
So I suggested them like which book to refer, which book not to, then all this stuff. Then
Okay.
at last I got a guidance like if you have a lot of time, then read through PMBOK. Like if you want to finish faster and you have much limited time, then you have to go with Rita, and don't go for any other book, or don't even try to what we say multitasking between those books. So then in the April month, I consistently started with Rita 10th edition. So I think by within, and apart from that, I read Mike Griffiths for Agile part. I read only first chapter from that, and as you suggested, I read Agile Practice Guide from PMBOK.
Okay.
So the whole studying process, it took me nearly for 2 months, I think, from April to May.
Okay.
And studying consistently somewhere like 6 hours nearly in a day.
Oh man. See, with your nature of job, I believe you have to go to the job site.
Yes, sir. I have to go to my corporate office where I have to travel up and down somewhere around 44 kilometers every day.
God, man. So no work from home, no laptop, no headphone, sitting at home and working. No facility.
No facility. But by the second wave, I was lucky enough to get that opportunity to work in home.
There you go. Okay. So you got 6 hours in that gap to read for yourself.
Yes. Traveling almost reduced 2 hours.
Nice.
I got the opportunity.
That's a good news. That's a good 6 hours reading is really good. Okay. Reading Rita and practicing questions all went well. So when you realize that you're ready for exam?
I think by giving almost 10 marks, I felt it's enough for me. 11th one should be my main exam.
Right. I remember the days you were trying hard, the score is not going high, but you said, man, whatever it is, I'm writing the main exam.
Yes. Like I was confident, like whatever the result may be, I'll have to go and first attend that battle instead of sitting and thinking like what will be that issue, what will be doing there, what will the questions will come tough or easy. We shouldn't think about that. Instead of that, you should go and just explore yourself over there.
Right. It's good in the sense for the guts part. I agree and appreciate you for doing that. Okay, let's talk a little bit about the exam part. Is it a center based or it is a proctor exam?
I chose for center based, sir.
Okay. So now
center based.
What kind of validity they do? What kind of check they do there?
They have a lot of process actually. As soon as we enter, they just all check that temperature part, sanitizing everything. Then they'll give some guidelines and instructions mentioned in their booklet. Then we have to read through that, understand what all the do's and don'ts mentioned in that. And they will provide some separate lockers where we can keep all bags and all our belongings. Then after that, they will just let you inside and we can go and attend the exam.
Good, very good. So how was the exam went on? It started well for you with the easy questions, tough questions. How was it?
Actually, like for the first 60 questions, when I just clicked it, suddenly like my heartbeat was rating so high. All sweat is coming, everything. I was like my mouth even is shaking.
Maybe air conditioner is not working. Did you tell them, man, air conditioner not working, I'm feeling sweat?
Actually, at that time it was not working, in the sense maybe yes, they stopped it, in the sense they switched off that AC thing
Okay.
because some other candidates who were there, they felt like it's too cold or something like that.
Oh,
So
yeah.
because of
Somebody would
that,
have
maybe he was,
complained.
yeah, because that person was maybe nervous because of that. He was telling like that.
Right, right. It happens in exam, when you're
Yes.
in a little tense mode, you will feel the weather is pretty cold inside the room. So they keep it the normal temperature only. Okay, good, good. You checked out. So now after seeing the questions, you got a heartbeat high. After that, what happened? Did you found
Af-
questions are coming good for you?
after 10 questions, I
Uh,
started it started for me like it's going smoothly,
hmm, hmm,
like
okay.
not panicking or not like something like which I'm
Hmm,
not able to understand or something like that. It
hmm,
was like okay, like however I used to give marks in all the 10 marks or whatever the marks I gave so far, it
hmm.
was like that only for me. I
Okay,
just
you
went
you
with that mindset.
okay. You felt with this one more mock exam you're doing now, not like a real exam.
No, sir. I changed my whole mindset. I just in between everyone used to say we take two breath, three breaths, deep breath, everything like that. I used to
Ah,
always imagine how these people have so much time to do that, but actually we get time to do that in exam.
hmm,
So by doing that, the all stress went down. Then I started focusing on the questions more.
mm-hmm. Nice, good. So how much of time you took for the first 60 questions?
First 60 questions I took uh, nearly 92 minutes.
Close to the time what we thought earlier. Okay, very good. So,
Yes.
did you have more questions for review?
I had one or two, but I never marked for review,
Hmm. Hmm.
and I never
Okay.
wrote down in that rough notebook whatever they gave.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
So it was hard for me to go back and see the question. So I thought, whatever it is, I have thought as a project manager that for
Uh,
me that scenario is correct. Then I will, instead of that going back again, instead of that, I will just move ahead. So I didn't
hmm.
wanted to waste time. So
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
I
Okay.
just moved on.
Okay. Makes sense. Makes sense. That's good. So now, you took a break of it. You went for a break after that 60 questions.
Yes, sir. Obviously, as per your instructions, as soon as I was waiting for that break actually.
Okay. Okay.
So I
You
have to
went out.
calm down myself. Then
Okay. You went out to have a sip of water and maybe chocolates.
no, I took banana
That's good. Protein. I mean,
protein.
good. Okay,
Yes,
energy add-on. Okay.
energy added.
Okay. How many
So
took banana? 4, 5, 6, 7, 1 dozen.
no. I took only one, sir.
Man, even the tennis players they used to take, right? In the break. Something
Yes,
needed. Okay, good. I know we can do these exams, we can do without eating anything. It's okay. Wow, what's there in life? Have fun in the exam.
but
Okay,
we
right.
need some energy and focus.
Yeah. We paid $500. Can't even have one banana in between the
One
gap.
banana.
We can have it. Okay, very good. Then what happened? How the second and third went off? Which one is tougher
Like
for you? First slot, second slot, third slot. Which one is tough?
uh, I think nothing was tough for me. Instead, I would say for me it was like a moderate only, not so tough or not so easy also.
It was
So
moderate
I
for you
didn't
on all
feel
of
like
them.
that. Yes,
Okay,
sir.
got you. How do you felt with agile questions? Because you come from construction industry, are you able to catch up with agile questions?
Yes, sir. I think whatever I have learned in the class which you took and
Uh,
all the basic concepts
hmm,
and whatever I learned from Mike Griffith's first chapter and Agile Practice Guide, I
very
have
good.
studied that much only. Then I think all questions were situational and agile concepts were easy, not so hard to it's
Right,
so confusing or something like that. I found
right.
it was little bit easy.
Okay, that's cool, man. Construction person telling agile is easy. Wow, that's easy. Now tell about this, Vishal. People are telling that hybrid questions are coming more.
Yes, sir.
Okay, what is your thought about it?
Yes, sir. Even I have got hybrid more.
Hmm.
It was a part of hybrid. I think predictive somewhere around 10, hardly 10 questions were there. That's it. Apart from that, hybrid and somewhere agile.
Mix of things, mix of. When this kind of question comes, which has a mix of predictive, adaptive, was it very tough to make a decision on the question answer?
I would say no. It was easy to understand, which like it's clearly mentioned from like we are moving from from hybrid to predictive, like from predictive to agile.
Nice.
Then in this part of the question, we have some stuck over here due to issues. So as a project manager, what you will do? So we can understand that it is having something problem in that part of approach.
Got you. So the question has a good clarity. They're explaining well.
Yes, sir. I think comparing to Prepcast, I found this one was little bit understandable for me.
Look at the way. I think most of them telling nowadays Prepcast is
very tough.
Yeah, tough. No point in doing that exam. Okay, very good. So all good now. When you click the last button to submit, how much of minutes you had?
I had nearly 2 minutes left.
Okay. Did you feel that before clicking the button, I'm PMP certified? You got that feel?
Actually, I was somewhere around 50-50. Either here or there.
Okay. Now when you click the button, it took 2 seconds to load and come.
Yes,
okay. Wow. Did you felt your heartbeat? Because in the beginning of the question, you said heartbeat is heavy. Did you felt it?
Yes. Yeah, I felt it. I was waiting for the result.
Okay.
Then suddenly it popped up. Then I just saw congratulations, but I didn't understand for what it is saying congratulations. Either I have finished the exam because of that it is saying congratulations, or really passed. Then again I read.
Yeah, the little big story.
Yes. Then again I read it and then understood like you will get an email, confirmation email, like after 5 working days, like that they mentioned. Then I have understood like I have passed.
God's sake, that time you want to shout and jump, right? Yeah, man, achieved it.
Actually jumped in center.
Jump.
I just did like this.
Like that. Those guys looked at you. The instructors or invigilators sitting there.
They looked, but I didn't care. I just.
You don't care. God, man, I paid $500. Why should I, man? I let me jump. Nice about it. Good, superb to know, Vishal. Nice to hear. See, one thing I've observed with you is you're so consistent. You are, even though you said some consistency missed in the between. If I take my WhatsApp, I think you will be having a huge list of messages for the last 2-3 months, continuously messaging on how things are going on. Also, I found that you are so determined to get it because there were scores sometimes not going high. You are a little bit stuck. Scores are not on a high side for you. I was just intimating that, man, Vishal, we are the borderline. Borderline. But I have a gut feel on some people, even though they are in borderline, on that day, exam day, their acceleration will be super high. How Shriram? I don't know. For some people, I too have some people in the borderline. I tell them don't go to exam because not all the people in the borderline are good to exam. There are some people in the borderline, but some gut feel tell this guy will jump. Okay, so on the gut feel you came inside, but you really proved it, man. Even though I have a gut feel and instinct, but end of the day you have to work. So I have to give the credit to you for that hard effort you made it on the exam. Good wishes.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Great. You want to give any points to people who are preparing for exam?
I would say that aspirants, like, please don't go and find for 2 or 3 books. Instead of, if you're comfortable with the book which you want to go with, just go and start reading those books instead of like in a dilemma like whether I have to go for PMBOK or Rita. It's your opinion, it's your own decision, and you have to choose your own book which is good for you. Then only you can concentrate. And the main part is consistency, like whether you read 2 hours or 3 hours, it depends on your own capacity, like
Mm.
how many days you need to sit for the exam. Then according to that you have to plan and work out.
Makes sense.
So
Makes sense. So
it's
don't get
so simple.
deviated. Okay, that's a matter message. I like the message. Okay, great. Got it. Got it. Got it. On the exam side, we know that sometimes our scores are not pretty high. So how was your mindset by the time? Did you felt, man, why my scores are not going high? I'm worried, or you had a feel, whatever it is, I'll do the exam. What kind of feel you had?
I had in the only process domain I had only low scores, somewhere around 50%.
Right.
Apart from that, people and the business domain I always had
You are
around
going good.
70s or like that.
That gave a
So
confidence.
yeah, that gave me full confidence. So I went with a like, after all, like giving all those 10 mocks, then analyzing those all question answers, each one right or wrongs. So
Mm,
that made me a mindset to choose the options in exam clearly. Like
right.
I was easily like able to eliminate two options quickly. I know this
Uh-huh.
is not the answers.
Uh-huh.
So only remaining with the two, I have to fight. That's it. I have to
Good.
look it for the main close keywords. That's it.
Nice. Nice. Practice makes perfect, huh? That's an
Yes, sir.
example
Yes, sir.
that
Obviously,
even
the word whoever coined it, it's
uh-huh.
it's good actually. It's true. Practice makes perfect.
So now how do you respect PMP now? After all this effort of 2.5 3 months of preparation, clearing, what is your level of respect on PMP?
It's so high, sir. Like I'm inspired. Like I want to go for another 2 to 3 certificates from PMI.
Oh, oh, oh.
One by December end and another by next year.
God, man, look at that goal setting, huh? You are become a goal-oriented person.
We have to learn, sir. Like previous, I think giving for me sitting for a main exam, I just learned from one other person who passed. Uh, his that sir's name is Prakash Ghavare. So
Okay.
he
Prakash.
said one word like whenever a person like stops learning, that person is old.
Wow, wow, you remember it, man. Prakash, Mr. Prakash, you should watch this video. Prakash is an inspiration for us. Okay. Right. We too have a PMP Elite group. Certified people are in a one group now. They're talking about jobs, opportunities. Mr. Prakash is there in the group. You can give
Yes,
a
sir.
credit to him. So, yeah, that's great. So, what he said is right, right? When the person
Yes,
stops
sir.
learning, you get old.
Old.
Okay. So, always be teen, young. By how? Keep learning.
Yes, sir.
That's nice. Good, good, Vishal. I appreciate it.
And
Subha,
I would
yes.
like to tell one more thing. Always like if you have 3 months or something like that for the exam, whatever Rahul sir post in the group, those 10-15 questions, try
Hmm.
to solve it. Try
Hmm.
to solve it. Don't, if you want, you can put a stopwatch and look out for how much time you are giving for that. But try to solve it. Don't go for what is like, why did you choose wrong or like that. Just see whether what you have, why the question has been wrong by you, like which answer made you wrong. Looking for that, then it will help you. It will help you till the end. I did it till 2.5 months. After that, like while giving mocks, I couldn't concentrate more. But till
Hmm.
2.5 months, like from April to till June mid, I think I've attended each and every questions whichever Rahul sir used to
Nice.
share.
Nice. Nice. That's good. So does it help you? Whatever we post on every day in WhatsApp, does it be aligned with the main exam?
Yes, sir. I think most of the agile part of questions, I think I learned from there only.
Ah, that's a good news. That's a good news. Great. Superb. Superb. Once again, good wishes, Vishal. Thanks for coming up here. And it is so nice to have you because I know PMP doesn't come easily. The two, you're the only guy in your group now. God, lone star, superstar. Huh?
Yes.
So as I tell that, start applying. So even if I talk to you after 6 months, you should be able to tell I have implemented it. So as I was telling that, we have created a PMP Elite group. Now, Elite group is for the people who cleared PMP, and they are a forum now. They are talking about what is the best practice applied in the market. We are discussing about how do they implement. It's not about only learning PMP, right?
Learning.
Post PMP, we will be in a group where we talk about how the implementation works. So now we are trying to create a forum or a group who start learning, you get certified, after certify, implement and win successful, right? And also we talk about job openings in the market. So now
Yes,
it's a full cycle now. So would you expect you to implement in a corporate, discuss that in our Elite forum, and let us see how construction industry take over the predictive, adaptive nature, right? That will be interesting.
yes, sir. Actually, like 2 to 3 days back, I started like speaking to my operations head. Like we can do that 15 minutes time box meeting, so we can sort it out the issues.
Nice, nice, nice. You're spoiled by Agile, huh? 15 minutes. Good to know. Good to know. Do that. Do that. See, Agile is not only for software industry. Initially, it was thought like
It
that.
was.
But if you feel now, most of the people related concepts, what you read, it's common. It doesn't mean to only Agile. Anyone can follow it if it's applicable. Right?
Applicable.
That's
All the it's all methodology what we use.
simple. That's it. That's it. That's it. Good. Good to know. Good to know. Okay. So did you give party to your family who supported you?
Actually, like me and my brother were there,
Acha.
so
Okay.
I just like bought some sweets, snacks. We had.
Wow. That's good, man. So is your brother accepting now? Hard work pays back.
Yes, yes, yes. Even he's preparing for competitive exams,
Nice. Nice. Man, what is this, man?
so he is inspired.
Yeah, you both brothers always with the books, huh? At home.
No, sir. I'm actually an average student. I've never been like that.
In leadership, there is no average. Leadership is unique track. You don't need to be a first bench.
Yes, sir. This is true because by learning this, I understood I always underestimated about myself. So now it has given me a lot of confidence. I can like throw anything. Like
Superb.
whatever they ask, I'm very challenging now.
Very good. Superman. Great. So we are very thankful for trusting us and being with us.
Thank you, sir. I'm very fortunate like to find free learning. Like without free learning, then journey was something like quite difficult to achieve it. So like all those video sessions, each and everything, like I always loved that top 2% video which used to explain us like consistency, discipline. If you don't maintain these two things, then you can't do it. All those things. So it really helps everyone and keep motivated towards your goal, what you want to achieve.
Nice, 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 nice.
And
Good. I know. The top 2% is indication. When you ask the top 2%, man, a lot of people clearing PMP, then top 2% will become top 4%. I'll say, go and attend my classes. When you attend my class, you'll know what is the meaning of top 2%.
seriously, sir, yes, true.
Very good. Super.
And
Right,
I
anything
would
more?
like to thank Rahul sir and entire Free Learning team also. Like
Okay.
Rahul
Nice.
sir, I don't know how many times I've disturbed him through nights also. So like somewhere in the 11 o'clock, 11:30, 12. But that man, like he used to give answer. Okay, this is
11:30,
there.
12 and all, it's not a time for Rahul, man. Come on. Nice, nice. That's a trust we have on our people, because you don't come just like that, right? You tried on your best. It doesn't work, then only you come to us to get an understanding. So it's our responsibility to help you. We strictly follow stakeholder
Yes,
management, manage closely, right? So
that
we
one,
do
sir. That part. Manage closely. What you say, manage closely. You will obviously do that when we are near to the goal.
that. Yes, yes. Ultimately, I want you all clear the exam. Even today, 3 people cleared exam. The moment they clear, they
Yes, sir.
call me and say that, hey, I cleared exam. So that joy is a dopamine. Huh? Keep injecting dopamine regularly. Good. Nice, nice to know. Nice to know. Super. Hey viewers, thanks all for watching this video. I'm sure you enjoyed Vishal's way of approach. He's a so consistent person. He took 10 mock exams. Okay, without if some of you feeling that sitting and writing 4 hours is not easy, he did 10 exams. Imagine the willpower he had. Amazing guy. And people reach out to Vishal. He may guide you some inputs. Put your comments and likes in this video. Chances are he'll come back and give you some tips how to do. He's in construction. but he learned Agile. Now he says, I like Agile. Look at the way he is. That's how it is. Good. So let's wish Vishal the great success in his life. Keep rocking, Vishal. Good wishes.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Great.